Hello and welcome here at the Zimmer Group. I'm standing next to Ulrich Doll, our project manager. Uli, can you tell me what an impressive production line we are standing in front of?
Sure. Hello, Maria. Well, this is a production line we are just setting up for a big kitchen furniture producer from France. And it is meant to produce kitchen furniture doors and drawer fronts in a batch size 1 production based on robot machining.
And can you tell me, how does it work?
Well, I think the best would be just to take a workpiece and see how it runs through the machine. When the system is loaded manually, the workpiece to be processed must be identified via the attached barcode. Based on this unique identifier, the data on the workpiece is retrieved from the customer's central database. The system then knows what it has to do. In the first step, after the workpiece has been scanned, the shuttles are made available for the specific workpiece and the workpiece is clamped. This circulating, flexible shuttle transport forms the backbone of the system. It moves the workpieces through the system past the various processing stations without reclamping. From the loading position, the workpiece is transported to the measuring station, where it is measured for its exact external dimensions and position in relation to the shuttles. For this purpose, the edges are scanned by a laser and the necessary values are calculated. After measuring the parts comes the actual machining. With the help of 2 industrial robots, which we bring to the required machining accuracy of ±0.2 mm by means of a compensation algorithm developed by us, all the necessary drilling operations are carried out. In the process, the robots divide up the work so that we process the workpieces in the minimum time. In addition to the robot itself, the drill head developed by us is the central component of these machining stations. On the drill heads, the various drills, but also additional functions such as a buffer setting unit is mounted. During the development and commissioning of the system, we still worked with our digital twin in addition to the real system. On this virtual image of the system, we were able to digitally test all functions of the system and thus work on the control without risk and partly even before the components are manufactured. After drilling, the parts are removed by a robot and placed for further processing either in a hedgehog buffer, as seen here, or in a tray trolley.